Good afternoon and good morning to our distinguished guests, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen from all around the world. My name is Ariel Chen. Welcome to today's online event, and it is my pleasure to be your MC today. TAITRA is Taiwan's foremost trade promotion organization. Today, we're jointly organizing this online press conference with Taiwan's Bureau of Foreign Trade. We will be focusing on Taiwan's smart machine tools for automotive and parts manufacturing, which is very important to our bilateral trade. First, I would like to invite Mr. Simon Wong, Executive Vice President of TAITRA, to deliver opening remarks. Please welcome.
Our four distinguished speakers from the companies who are very well known in smart machine tool industry, online friends, medias, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Well, maybe good evening or good morning, depending on where you are from. Time difference decides, right? Coronavirus pandemic keeps devastating our economy. There's no way for us to fly, to face. So this kind of way of online communication is the most proper way for us to update you with our latest information. Today's topic is smart machine tool for automotive and parts manufacturing, online product launch. There are 3 points I would like to address. Number 1 is coronavirus pandemic makes Taiwan even more resilient. As you are aware that, Taiwan's location is very much in proximity to mainland China, and our massive investment in mainland China that, make people, most of the people would say in the beginning of the pandemic outbreak in January in mainland China, most people would think that Taiwan would be one of the hardest hit economies in the world. However, Taiwan survives and has survived well. We have won worldwide recognition of our prevention of the pandemic. So to keep everyone in this world, on the planet, understand how we handle the crisis, TAITRA, our office, has casted a platform, digital platform, to circulate or to share how we handle the crisis, how we tackle the difficulties and how we overcome it. So the platforms is at www.covid19tw.org. Let me repeat it once again. www.covid19tw.org. This is a very important website for you to access all of the relevant information. So today, I would like to showcase 4 companies who are very specialized in manufacturing smart machine tools. And the economy froze in Q1 and Q2. And however, the contactless phenomenon prevails, which means industry are putting more efforts on focusing on accelerating automation. And EV, electric vehicle, because it can reduce carbon emissions. Therefore, industries are also, embracing this kind of industry, and with new emerging business opportunities arise. So that we can see that machine tools, though in Q1 and Q2 we suffered a lot because of the shutdown of the factories and towns and harbors, but because of other kinds of emerging economies arise. So smart machine tools industry is getting up. And in addition, I would like to draw your attention is our machine tool trade show, TIMTOS, which will be scheduled from March 15th to 20th. And you are all, to be invited to attend either as an exhibitor or visitor. Last but not the least, Taiwan Excellence is a brand. Taiwan Excellence is a brand that shows the best products. Those are the best products. Those products carrying Taiwan Excellence symbols, meaning that they have the good quality, they have the best R&D, they have the good design, and other kinds of innovation. So today we're very glad to invite 4 companies who have won their Taiwan Excellence Awards products in smart machine tools. So enjoy their presentation. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Wong, for your kind words. And next, we move on to the presentations. During this session, please feel free to submit your questions by using the QA link and QR code on the screen. We will collect all the questions and answer online after the event. Today, we're pleased to have Mr. Jack Chen, Director of SEYI, share their products and solutions. Let's welcome Mr. Chen.
Thank you. Thank you for joining us for Taitra webinar with Servopress. My name is Jack Chen, and I'm Sales Director. Hard stamping or hard forming technology provides automotive industry the solution of reducing car weight and increasing parts strength and rigidity. Hard stamping line, including the following equipment. Let's see at the device from left to right. Robot, load brake to furnace. Detector, separate each single brake from stacking. Furnace, heat the brake above 900 Celsius. Conveyor and centering system do the transportation and center the brake ready for picking up. Transfer system load the brake in and unload parts out of Servopress. Servopress applies the force to forming parts and dwell at the bottom dead center. Water cooling system take out the heat from brake quickly within limit time. This picture shows the components of car body structure made by hot stamping technology. The major one is AP pillar and the reinforcement body structure parts. The video is the achievement of SEYI Servopress at hard stamping application. The press line located at North America. The customer supplied car body parts assembly to Japanese automotive manufacturer. Detector separate brake from stack. Robot load brake at furnace. Furnace heat steel above 900 Celsius. Transfer load into the presses. Servopress is forming the parts and the dwell at the bottom dead center for 7 to 9 seconds. Transfer take the final parts out of the press. And this is the end of the line conveyor. Now, we would like to explain why Servopress is the best solution for hard stamping application. Servopress is a mechanical transmission design. The hammer, downstroke, and upstroke speed is much faster than conventional hydraulic press. Please see the blue line at the chart. Servopress takes only 1.5 seconds to reach bottom dead center, but hydraulic press takes 4.5 seconds. The total cycle time of a Servopress is 5 seconds faster than conventional hydraulic press. Servopress increase up to 30% higher production rate. When the hammer at the bottom dead center, Servopress uses mechanism structure to maintain the press's tonnage capacity. It is almost no power consumption during the 2nd to 9 second dwell at the bottom dead center for cooling process. The hydraulic presses maintain the tonnage by running hydraulic power system, which is motor and pump. Servo system has a much higher energy efficiency rate than hydraulic system. SEYI servo system use air cooling, but hydraulic presses use water tower cooling. Servo presses can save up to 70% energy and 50% running cost. Servopress take less duration during downstroke and the foaming parts. It means Servopress has extra time available to do in-die piercing, trimming, or punching holes before reach 500 Celsius during cooling process, which is the lowest temperature limit before material get too hot to cut. When the hot blank stay in the tooling, the blank temperature at the area in touch with tooling is lower than where it's going to foam. Servopress has a fast foaming speed. It can minimize the temperature difference between the two rungs and reduce the thin material effect as shown in the chart. Also, the fast foaming speed features allow the steel start cooling process at a higher temperature point. It can give cooling process with enough buffer to minimize the possibility of producing defective parts. SEYI servo motor specifically designed for stamping process application with higher torque and the lower RPM features. It can be applied standard press transmission design without adding the reducer or link mechanism between. Simple design is the best design. This is the chart we summarize the Servopress's feature at hard stamping application. The Servopress has the best performance than the other press solution at features such as production rate, foaming speed, piercing in tooling, offering full torque during die crossing, low maintenance time and cost, effective energy consumption, which is low running cost. Servopress is a new generation stamping press. Its benefits free and accurate motion control to give customer flexibility in production, deliver high quality parts, and save energy. It is also smart and intelligent to support IoT and the Industry 4.0. This brings me to the end of my presentation. Okay, I hand this over to Mr. Chiu. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chen, for your excellent presentation. And next, we will invite Mr. Herbal Chiu, Jainnher's sales engineer, to speak. Let us welcome Mr. Chiu.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Herbert Chiu from Jainnher Machine Company. We are a grinding machine manufacturer in Taiwan. Before introducing our company Jainnher, I would like to help everyone get a picture of what a grinding machine is. So I will show you some videos that will help everyone see how the grinding machine works. A grinding machine, aka grinder, is a type of machine using an abrasive wheel as the cutting tool. It is used to finish workpiece that must reflect high surface quality and precision of shape or dimension, which are hard to achieve by just using a turning machine. Jainnher is a professional grinder manufacturer in Taiwan, established in 1982. Our headquarters is in Taichung City, Taiwan, and we have a branch in Kunshan City in China, providing after-sales service for Chinese market. This photo shows Jainnher's Taichung factory. All of our products are assembled here, all made in Taiwan. This facility is 17,000 square meters, and currently we have 130 employees. This page displays our sales distribution and service network. Jainnher sells grinder in 33 countries, and we have over 55 sales and service points worldwide. Jainnher's main markets are in Asia, including emerging markets such as India, and Asian countries in total account for 75% of sales. European markets such as the UK, Russia, Poland, and Czech Republic make up 20% of sales. And this page of our main grinder application by industry. 38% is for the automotive industry, the majority of our turnover. And the mold and machine tools is the second at 26%. Electronics industry is 20%. Many parts need the grinding process in the automotive industry. Here I would like to give some examples. First, for the engine system. In the picture, you can see many kinds of engine parts such as shafts, gears, pumps, and bushes, which all need different kinds of grinder for the high precision manufacturing process. Furthermore, for some gears or bearings that require great precision in the internal diameter, we will use our internal grinder. Also, some gears and bearings with both external and internal diameter have specific precision requirements. So we have the double spindle grinder, which can process internal and external grinding in just one machine. Except for the engine system, there are many parts which need to be grinded in automotive transmission. For example, some shafts, like transmission shafts. Most of these shafts will need the cylindrical grinder to handle the external diameter and service quality. We also have centerless grinder, which is for external grinding. Furthermore, it has outstanding efficiency and is compatible with various kinds of automatic device that can feed raw parts automatically, increasing the production capacity. Here, I would like to show a video about a shock absorber grinding application. In the video, you can see how the centerless work smoothly with automatic feeder and the diameter gauge. For your reference, these are some of our clients from the automotive industry. Okay, thanks for listening. Here are our contact methods. If you have any questions, please contact Jainnher for more information. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chu, for your impressive presentation. And now we are pleased to have Mr. Alan Bai, Senior Sales Manager for EDA. Please welcome Mr. Bai.
Thank you, host. Thank you for everyone who is gathering here for your time and your attention. My name is Alan Bai. It's my honor to present about EDA precision machinery. Our company is located in Taichung City of Taiwan. We have the employees in around 46 people, more than the 50% about technician and the R&D engineer. Our main business strategy is for OPM and ODM and OEM business. We are professional to produce about the CNC turning machine, horizontal and vertical machine center, and also for turnkey project and automations with the robot. In last 10 years, we got some order for piston project. This project is made by our CNC lathe. The case is in Indonesia. Also, we got some order, the process for parts of the car. This case in Thailand is for mass production. And this slide show you about our horizontal machining center for automotive project. One project is a process for parts of the pickup truck. Maybe you know the many Japan factories set in Thailand. So this is our case. Another case, we also sell our horizontal machining center for aluminum car engine. This order is for our 13 set HMC. Now our machine is working all day, non-stop. And this machine is running well, continued. This slide talk about our horizontal machine center. We can do casting drill and mold, length mold, coupling, steel cover, gear transmission, brake kit, pump body. We can do that. Also, everyone, if we want to do in our machine. And this slide is about our future of the optimized design on our machine structure. Especially, we designed high-rigidity bit body on X machines with the high-load guideway design. Also, we designed the direct drive spindle BT40 and the BBT40 with the 10,000 and 12,000 RPM. We designed the servo, the parameter changer, the quick and smoothly the change it. This slide we talk about tool magazine. The standard, you can get 40 tools. And the tool change time around 3.3 seconds. And special design for radial type. This type, the tool cutter length around 450. It means it uses this radial type. The tool length, you can process your workpiece throughout in one cutter. No need to change the both of the side of your workpiece. The tool change time really quickly, only 1.6 seconds. Now we talk about solutions on our machine. HMC machine with the 400 working table, MH400 and plus. Then you get accessories 1G and high rigidity, high load guideway, and the central shift rib system. Also, pallet change, the servo motor, and ABS type, the servo system. This one is a working table size 500. You can get fully indexing the rotating table on our MH500. Also, the second model, MH500 Plus, specially boxing badge design and turbo screw with 2 servo motor on our X-axis. This one is our biggest one, HMC, the model code MH630 Plus BT50 taper. Especially 2 ball screw and the 2 servo motor on not only X-axis, also Z-axis. You can get smoothly and faster moving. Some customer, they want to auto clamping for their workpiece. So this design, you can choose the auto or manual. The Japanese customer prefer this function. And customer not only the one or two the workpiece, they want to get multi-access. So this is designed for multi-station. Standard we offer 8. Maxima we can offer the customer 32. So this is our special design here. Variable of our optional the accessory, chip conveyor, also current spindle, or tool measurement, or workpiece, we can do in the requirement for the customer. This is our Maxima products, CNC turning machine for 70%, and the horizontal and vertical machine center around 30%. Also, we can do with the robot for the automation, the production. This is our customer and our sales territory in the global. It's the European 40%, and the Asia 45%, and the USA 50%. So our the regional office in Malaysia. Finally, we believe our EDA will become your best choice. If you want to more information about our machine, you can contact free will contact us. Thank you for your listening. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Bai, for your comprehensive presentation. And again, if you have any further questions for him, please use the link on the screen and we will answer the questions after the event. And next, we will invite Mr. Tony Huang, manager of Tongtai. Let's welcome Mr. Huang.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tony Huang from Tongtai Machine Tool, Taiwan. I'd like to thank Taitra to organizing this platform which allows us to share the solution we can provide for auto and motor industry. First of all, I will briefly introduce the TT Group and Tongtai, then move on to our smart machine manufacturing solutions. There are 6 members of the TT Group, and each member offers different types of CNC machine and solutions. There are 4 members from Taiwan and another 4 from Europe, in France and Austria. Tongtai is leading the TT Group to provide solutions for customer worldwide. The core strength of TT Group is to provide different kinds of solutions for different kinds of industries. Being a total solution provider, Tongtai is not only focused on complete line integration, but also being strong in new technology innovation like metal 3D printing and ultrasonic machining. Tongtai celebrated its 5th year's anniversary in 2019. The company started out making special purpose machines, and now we have a wide range of CNC machines. For best customer support, Tongtai has more than 20 branches and cooperates with more than 60 agents worldwide to do marketing and provide immediate service support. Industry 4.0 is a well-known global trend for everyone. Tongtai is a pioneer in Taiwan by offering the first smart manufacturing line for crankcase machining. How can Industry 4.0 make production line smart and efficient? How to reduce defective rate and achieve better productivity when market demand is changing to small volume, large varieties? The following slides are briefly example as we offer a solution for different type of crankcase to be made on the same production line. Tongtai is able to integrate different kind of application or utilize multi-axis machines to ensure the production line is more compact and efficient. Of course, automation should be there. However, automation we are talking about here covers complete process from QR code marking, part identification, machining, online inspection, and cleaning, not just part loading and loading here. We also adapt a cyber-physical system to simulate what we are able to organize from individual machining program to company-line operation sequence. Compared to the past, CPS can find any operation bugs quickly and avoid errors before production line begins. It saves lead time and cost in manufacturing. To make the machine smart, we install different kinds of sensors on the machine to collect different signals. And through Tongtai Intelligent Management System, we call TIMS, this signal will be converted to production data for monitoring. So once the complete line is connected, the real-time production data can be collected and presented in our monitoring platform, and further combined with MES and ERP for production plan arrangement. There's an absolutely fantastic example, which is the smart manufacturing line we supply for scooter crankcase machining. There are six varieties of parts that can be flexibly produced on the same line. It's not only for part machining, but also include part cleaning, online inspection, and huge storage system for fixtures. The next video shows how this line works. For more information about Tongtai, you can scan this QR code and find Tongtai on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Huang, for your brilliant presentation. And now I'd like to spend a few minutes taking you on a tour of the Taiwan Excellence Smart Machinery Virtual Pavilion. There are 50 Taiwan Excellence brands with 60 award-winning products on display. The pavilion is divided into 5 zones according to product types. First, let's click Machine Tool C picture below to get into Machine Tool Zone. Let's see SEYI. Click on the spud icon below the product picture to its introduction. To know more about the company, just click the Fuchsia Contact Supplier button. Back to the main screen, you can also watch the product video by clicking the play icon below the product picture. Some products have 360 view function. You can click the 360 icon to view the picture of the product in 3D. Here, you can revolve, zoom in, or zoom out for more details. Click Machine Tools A and B picture below the screen to check other products in the zone. You can also see other smart machinery products here, such as automation equipment. Electronic manufacturing equipment. other industrial equipment. And mechanical parts. If you have any questions, you can directly click Left View Panorama below to get back to the main page. And click the left, please leave your contact info and inquiry form icon to leave your inquiry or contact us. You can link to our pavilion via the Taiwan Excellence website or from the QR code on the screen. We welcome you to visit our virtual pavilion anytime. Ladies and gentlemen, the press conference has now come to an end. Thank you so much for your participation. We hope this event has helped give you a better idea of the new innovation here we're developing in Taiwan. Please remember to complete the questionnaire and share your valuable opinions with us by scanning the QR code on the screen. Have a wonderful rest of the day.